When you search for the best car wash foam gun, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Chemical Guys TORQ Foam Blaster 6. First up is the Chemical Guys TORQ Foam Blaster 6. At $42.99, this foam gun caught my eye with its adjustable foam ratio dial. If you want customizable suds for your car wash, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable foaming settings let you choose from light rinse to thick suds, making it versatile for any car cleaning job. It sprays thick suds that encapsulate dirt, reducing swirl marks and scratches. Plus, it connects directly to your garden hose, so you don't need a pressure washer. With a solid rating of 4.2 stars from over 12,100 reviews, it's a bestseller for a reason. Now, some people complained about the foam not being as thick as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for something that gets the job done without a pressure washer, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, effective foam gun for home use. Skip this one if you're looking for something that requires a pressure washer for the max foam experience. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the foam thickness bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with more power. Product number 2, Tool Daily Foam Cannon. Next, we have the Tool Daily Foam Cannon at just $17.99. This caught my attention because of its impressive 4.5-star rating from 50,700 reviews. If you want a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, this is a great choice. This foam cannon doesn't require a garden hose. It connects with a quick release to your pressure washer. It comes with 5 nozzle tips to adjust the angle of your spray, which is handy for everything from washing cars to watering plants. The 1-liter container means you can create thick foam, reducing the chances of scratches during your wash. Selling over 10,000 units this past month, it's clearly popular for a reason. However, some users reported that it can leak if it's not correctly tightened. But honestly, for the price, if you're careful with the setup, it's not a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you already own a pressure washer and want a foam cannon attachment that fits right in. Skip this one if you're looking for a garden hose option or if you don't want to deal with any setup hassle. It's an affordable way to upgrade your car wash routine. Alright, that was a great budget option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a complete car washing experience. Product number 3. Chemical Guys 10-Piece Arsenal Builder Kit. Now, let's talk about the Chemical Guys 10-Piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit, priced at $99.99. This is more than just a foam gun. It's a full car washing kit that caught my interest. This kit includes everything you need to wash and detail your car effectively, from a foam gun to premium car care chemicals. The foam gun produces thick suds and connects to a garden hose, eliminating the need for a pressure washer. The included car wash soap, glass cleaner, and microfiber tools mean you can clean your entire car without needing to buy anything else. With a stellar rating of 4.7 stars from over 11,300 reviews, this kit makes car washing fun and easy. That said, some buyers wished it came in a retail box for gifting. But here's the thing. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit for yourself or a car enthusiast, it really doesn't matter. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one car cleaning solution that simplifies your car washing routine. Skip this one if you're only looking for a basic foam gun, because this is a bit pricier but well worth it for the value. Now, if you're after something simple yet effective, the next product could be the answer. Product number 4, SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun. Next up is the SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun, available for $35.99. This caught my eye because of its promise of professional-grade cleaning without needing a pressure washer. This foam gun works with any soap and attaches easily to your garden hose. It creates thick, lubricating suds that help lift dirt before scrubbing. With 6 adjustable foam settings, you can customize your wash from light to thick suds, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. Having received a 4.4-star rating from 5,300 reviews, it's a solid option for home use. One downside is that it may struggle with very thick grime compared to a pressure washer. But honestly, for regular car washes, it gets the job done effectively and is user-friendly. This is perfect for you if you want something easy to use without the hassle of a pressure washer. Skip this one if you often deal with heavy dirt and grime, as it may not give the deep clean you need. For the price, it's a great addition to your cleaning arsenal. Now, if you want something that provides a bit more, the last product on the list offers a comprehensive cleaning solution. Product number 5, Autodeco 42 PCS Car Wash Detailing Kit. Finally, we have the Autodeco 42 PCS Car Wash Detailing Kit priced at $45.99. This kit is impressive with all it includes, making it stand out immediately. The kit comes with a low-pressure foam gun, long handle mop, bucket, detailing brushes, and more. It's designed for both interior and exterior cleaning, making it versatile for car enthusiasts who want to tackle every part of their vehicle. The foam gun helps generate thick suds for a scratch-free wash, while the included tools make it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas. With a solid rating of 4.3 stars from 1,800 reviews, it's a great value. However, some users noted that the foam gun might not produce the thickest foam compared to others on this list. But honestly, with all these tools included, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive car cleaning kit that covers all your needs. Skip this one if you already have most of the cleaning tools, as it might be overkill. For the price, it's a fantastic value for what you get. So, to wrap it up, we've covered the Chemical Guys TORQ Foam Blaster 6, the Tool Daily Foam Cannon, the Chemical Guys 10-piece Arsenal Kit, the SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun, and the Autodeco 42 PCS Detailing Kit. Each offers unique features depending on your needs, from budget-friendly options to comprehensive kits. Choose the one that fits your car washing style best.